I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by drawing two non-parallel chords. Use a straight edge and mark endpoints A, B, and C, D. Pick chords that are not near the circumference only. Longer chords reduce error. Now, measure or estimate the midpoint of each chord and mark it with a small tick. Once done, draw short perpendicular lines at each midpoint using a right angle or compass. These will be the perpendicular bisectors. You're starting the actual geometric construction, so keep tools steady and marks light but visible. Next, take each midpoint and construct its perpendicular bisector. Place the right angle or use the compass method, set width larger than half the chord, draw arcs from both endpoints, and connect their intersections. Extend each bisector well beyond the circle edge so their crossing is unambiguous. Make sure the bisectors are precise because their intersection locates the center. If the lines look skewed, recheck midpoint placement. Small midpoint errors shift the intersection, so correct before proceeding. The point where the two perpendicular bisectors meet is the circle's center. Label it O. You should verify by measuring the distance from O to multiple points on the circumference. These radii should match. If one or two measurements differ noticeably, make sure bisectors were truly perpendicular and midpoints accurate. Redraw the faulty chord or bisector and repeat. A quick troubleshooting tip. If lines nearly intersect but not exactly, use a pair of additional chords to average intersections and reduce random.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.